I should welcome you to general knowledge about the University of Bagamoyo. The University of Bagamoyo is a university that is privately owned and privately run and privately established with a single intention of creating new knowledge in the world. And when we say in the world, we don't mean in the world in the meaning of sphere, but we mean in the world of learning. In the understanding that we have, the University of Bagamoyo is a university that is set by the founders and the people who had preconceived the idea of the university and thought that there's a need of establishing a university that would find a difference in the current offerings that are being offered, especially from Tanzania. Looking at the general framework of knowledge in Tanzania, we realize that there is a gap that was missing. There is a gap in the offering of university education that does not focus on leadership and governance. We have leaders in every sphere of academics and even in the normal life in the country. But we need to have leaders that are well trained in their positions, in their field of training and in their experience, that they have also training of how to be leaders. And we realize that there is a gap that on the science departments, that we lack teachers in the science and we even lack students in science. This is all because that the roots and the concentration that is put on education need now to be emphasized on science, part of life. Therefore, the University of Bagamoyo sets out as independent, non-denominational, and non-partisan university, which is geared to promote the knowledge to its students to understand mainly on how to master in their field of qualifications. And that's why the University of Bagamoyo is now set up from the idea that Tanzania Legal Education Trust, TANLET, had presumed that there is a need of finding a way of helping Tanzanians and people in general to understand the legal aspect of human life. In developing this idea, the idea of LHRC, Legal and Human Rights Center, came up. And so the center was founded and established. In the due course of running the center, it was realized that there is a need of having a higher body, the university. And so the University of Bagamoyo comes up to continue from where the Legal and Human Rights Center is and ensure that the knowledge that is imparted to the mass is enough to fit to the standard of the nation. And so the university has four pillars: the good governance, the leadership, the human right, and the excellent job creating. The job creating skills is the part that we focus in the university to ensure that the person who is nurtured in the university, as we say in our mission, that we are intending to nurture and develop a socially conscious, committed, and ethical human beings through integrated and holistic formation. Someone who is being trained in the holistic and integrated formation needs to understand that he or she should not be job seeker, but job creator. And that's why one of our pillars is job creating skills. And since we want to specialize and make sure that every offering has a package that has leadership and governance in it, that's why we're intending and have a vision of becoming a unique center of excellence in the world in offering university education. So our uniqueness is putting in the ingredients of university offerings the governance and leadership skills. That is what will make us unique. But we're not going to be only unique in that way. We're going to be unique in stressing to our motto that leadership has to be with service. And for us, the main principle is that to lead is to show the way. So if we focus on those three areas that are basic, we are sure that on the starting of the university, which we are expecting to start in September 2011, we're going to start with three main colleges: the College of Education, the College of Law, and the College of Sciences. In this sense, the College of Law is well packed from certificate, diploma, first degree, postgraduate, which will have taught masters. But for science part, we are going to have only the first degree in science. On the side of education, we will start with first degree in education, that means BA Education, and BSc, which will now cover the part of science. So we'll have 2 in the first degrees, and we're expecting to have master's degree in education also. So when we say we're going to start this September, we're going to start mainly on those three colleges: the College of Education, the College of Science, and the College of Law. The major ingredients that we are confident that we are going to have in these offerings is that we have very competent teachers and lecturers, because the staff that we have is not the comprised of junior lecturers or junior personnel in academics. We have people who are at least not less than 10 years in experience, and we have professors that have already served at least for 25 years in their field. So we are sure, combining the skill that we have from these people who are well trained and well conversant in their field, we are sure that the offering that we are going to have is going to be standard, and it's going to be perfect, and it's going to serve the need that we need to produce a person who is confident, who is courageous, who has the skills needed to be in the market everywhere in the world, to create the job that he or she wants to do, based to the field that he or she has been trained for the period of 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years that the person has spent in the University of Bagamoyo. So the University of Bagamoyo will start from Dar es Salaam campus. Dar es Salaam campus will be centered in Dar es Salaam, and our headquarters will be at the Sembeti Street, of where we will have the headquarters for the office, but the lecture halls will be at Gawa Beach, Biafra Complex Center, and at Ursino. We are sure on all three places for Dar es Salaam campus, we are going to serve the need of all that who need to get education from University of Bagamoyo. In this sense then, since we are operating from the city center, it's very hard for us to get the accommodation for our students. So everyone is invited to the university, but with the precaution that the university currently has no capacity to offer the accommodation for the students. So students will get prepared to get accommodation around the school, but also they can get outside from anywhere, because the city is now at least well connected to get the transport to the centers. For example, at Kawe, at Biafra, and Ursino are places that are easily accessed by city transport system. But after a few years, starting from 3 to 5 years, the construction project for University of Bagamoyo in Bagamoyo will start, and eventually we'll have the accommodation, and everything will be done from Bagamoyo. Even the headquarters will now move from Sembeti Street in Dar es Salaam to Bagamoyo, and therefore we are sure from Bagamoyo now we'll run everything that is needed for the university, while the Dar campus will serve for the need of those who are working group and they need to work from Dar es Salaam. And therefore, the University of Bagamoyo is a university well set, which will provide the best education tailored with good governance and leadership skills, the language skills, thinking skills, and we are sure by the end of the person's life at the university, he or she will be well equipped to face the challenges in the world. Thank you. Welcome to the University of Bagamoyo, a place which is well registered, well structured from the TCU standards, and has followed all procedures of the country. Thank you. Welcome to University of Bagamoyo.